Hi everyone, today we're going to take a quick look on how do we program our Quark Tactical Series flashlight. Now the Tactical Series from 4Sevens is defined by the switch. It protrudes a little bit more and it has what's called their programmable interface. So what does that mean? You click it on, for example, the head on this light is all the way tightened up, everything's tight, and we're set to high right now. If we turn the head a quarter turn back, you can see that we have one of the lower brightness levels set. Now the tactile mode means that this is what you have available to you right now. You've got a high, you've got a low. If you switch and try to change modes, it does nothing. You have the instant on, or you can click for constant on. But the unique feature about these lights is this is a 2-mode light, but you can program these 2 modes to whatever you like. There's several different brightness levels, an SOS, a strobe, and of course a beacon mode. So let's say, for example, when we turn on our light with the heads all tightened up, we want it to be a strobe. And when we loosen it up, we want it to be high. Well, right now we have high and low. So what do? We have everything tight right now. We're going to twist the head back and forth a few times here. You can see that little flicker right there says, hey, I'm in programming mode. So now all I have to do, turn the light off and on again, and it cycles through all the different modes. There's the low, next low, medium, a high, and it just cycles through all the modes, and there's strobe. So we leave it on the strobe mode for about 15 or 20 seconds. And now you see that little flicker again. That little flicker says, hey, I'm remembering that I'm in strobe mode right now. So now you can see our head is tight, because that was where I was when I programmed it, was the head was tight. And I click it on its strobe. When I turn it back a quarter turn, it's that low mode that we originally had. So, as we said before, we want strobe and to turn back in high. Well, what do? Well, we have this on low mode, and we're going to twist it back and forth. And we're going to end in the loose, and you see that flicker there. That means I'm in programming mode. Now I'll know the head is turned a quarter turn back. So it works the same way. We can cycle through the different modes. And there's, the really low. And we have high. Click it on and we leave it on high again for about 15-20 seconds. And you'll see a flicker come up here. And that flicker says, hey, I'm programmed. So what does that mean? When I've got the head completely tightened on this light, I'm in strobe mode. When I turn a quarter turn back, I'm in high. And it remembers that forever and ever until you were to reprogram it again. So you can see our head is completely tightened up. We turn it on, we always have strobe. Hey, I don't want strobe. I just want high. I just turn that back about a quarter of a turn. So that's all there is to it, guys, for programming your 4Sevens tactical style lights. This was a Quark X123 squared I used as a demo, but it works the same. This is a Turbo AA squared. I have just the regular AA squared tactical version. And we also have the Turbo X that all run the same way. They all program the same way. So I hope this was helpful in understanding how the tactical switches work from the 4Sevens lights.